How to use past to future. Today we are going to take the opportunity of the Universiade to explore a high-level comprehensive university in Chengdu that has always been a dream school of many Chinese students. Sichuan University. Sichuan University, founded in 1896, is located in Chengdu, a famous historical and cultural city in China. It is a university with a pleasant environment and cultivated many outstanding people. Under the educational philosophy of being people-oriented, advocating academics, and pursuing excellence, the university has explored a characteristic development path to be a world-class university. To learn about the university, we must first learn the history of it. I'm now at the History Museum of Sichuan University, which is the first university archive in China, recording the struggle of several generations to build Sichuan University. Now let's go inside and have a look. Come on!
今天主要讲解的是校史的序章和辛亥革命以前的校史。在这个展厅当中，最重要的藏品就是大家眼前看到的这个巨大的石碑。这个石碑叫尊经书院举贡提名碑，是我们四川学政张之洞在洋务运动期间创办的尊经书院。那这个石碑是在2013年望江校区东门加油站改造工程当中出土的，上面详细的记录了我们1875至1885年10年期间尊经书院进京赶考或通过会试的学生名单。大家可以看到石碑上面详细的记录了学生的姓名、年龄和籍贯等信息，在今天看来也是一份高考的光荣榜。
Sichuan University History Exhibition Halls was founded in 1937. The exhibition halls is divided into 3 floors, composed of 4 school history theme exhibition halls and 10 special exhibition halls, and is one of the largest, the most connections of the National University Archives. With a wide range of contents and a long period, this archive records the development of Sichuan University from its founding to striving for a world-class university. During the Universiade, the gymnasium of Sichuan University will host the Taekwondo competition. Now, let's take a look at their preparations. During the Universiade, the stadium of Wangjiang campus of Sichuan University will be used as the competition, warm-up, and training venue for the Taekwondo event, which will produce a total of 23 gold medals. And the volunteers who served in the competition venue are also fully prepared for the upcoming Universiade in Chengdu.
我们这个场馆是在原有的老场馆的基础上。 改建而成，是集跆拳道比赛、热身、训练、新闻发布各方面为一体的，可以举办大型国际赛事的综合性体育场馆。那么，我们为这次大运会呢，我们已经在场馆的设施、设备、人员、物资各方面已经到位了。我们这次大运会的志愿者工作，同学们非常的踊跃。 学校从4500多名学生中间遴选了1000余名学生志愿者参与整个成都大运会的工作，他们将在9个点参与语言服务、观众服务和赛事接待等各方面的一些工作。
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm a postgraduate from Sichuan University, and I will be a volunteer for the FISU Games. I'm really excited to do that. This is Vanessa.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. I'm from Cameroon and I'm a Sichuan University student. I will be a volunteer for the FISU game and I'm really excited. It's really a great feeling. Now we are in the Chengdu Volunteer Centers. My university have many foreigner students and many welcoming and great teachers.
Chengdu is a really modern and young city. And also there are lots of yummy food. And Sichuan University is one of the best universities in China, and there are lots of great teachers.
我们希望来自全球各个国家的青年大学生运动员，能在四川大学享受到跆拳道比赛的快乐。
We welcome friends from all over the world to join this significant event and meet excellent university students in Chengdu.
Chengdu makes dreams come true. Welcome to Sichuan University.